Have you ever noticed someone adjusting a crooked frame, straightening objects on a table, or feeling uncomfortable when things are messy? To some people, arrangement is not just a habit, it's emotional. A clean desk, aligned books, organized clothes can make their mind feel quieter. But why? Why does order feel so powerful to certain people? Imagine walking into two different rooms. One is chaotic. Clothes everywhere, random objects, visual noise. The other is calm. Everything has a place, soft balance, clear space. Your brain reacts to both rooms differently because the human mind constantly searches for patterns. When things are arranged, the brain spends less energy processing confusion. It feels safer, lighter, more predictable. For some people, organization becomes a form of emotional comfort, especially those who grew up around stress, chaos, or unpredictability. When life feels uncertain, arranging small things creates a feeling of control. And sometimes, control feels like peace. Psychologists often connect this behavior to something called conscientiousness. People high in conscientiousness naturally prefer structure, routines, planning, and order. But there's another layer. Some people organize not because they love perfection, but because disorder creates inner tension. Their environment affects their emotions deeply. So arranging objects becomes a silent way to calm the nervous system. Not everyone cleans their room because they enjoy cleaning. Sometimes they're trying to organize their thoughts. And interestingly, the people who seem too organized are often carrying invisible mental noise inside. Outer order can sometimes be a response to inner chaos. The room becomes peaceful because the mind is not. So the next time you see someone carefully arranging things, remember, they may not be obsessed with perfection. They may simply be searching for a little calm in a world that often feels overwhelming.